The ingredients listed on your shampoo, sunscreen, or baby lotion may not tell the whole story. In a new study, researchers tested 113 personal care and cleaning products and found 98% contained at least one chemical not disclosed on the label, and 85% contained at least one undisclosed chemical with known or suspected health hazards. Even products marketed as natural, non-toxic, or organic frequently contained undisclosed chemicals linked to health harm according to the results. The senior author says that means someone can carefully read ingredient lists, choose clean products, and still end up exposed to the very chemicals they were trying to avoid. The study also found more than 1/4 of products contain chemicals that contradicted their own labels or company websites. The testing identified synthetic chemicals in some products marketed as 100% natural, phthalates in some products labeled phthalate-free, and known allergens in some hypoallergenic products. But the investigators stress this doesn't necessarily mean manufacturers added those chemicals on purpose. Contamination can creep in through raw materials, processing equipment, chemical reactions, storage, or packaging. Right now, U.S. oversight relies largely on ingredient disclosure by manufacturers. The authors argue that testing finished, packaged products for undisclosed chemicals should be a standard part of product safety and quality control.